Hi Shimmers! So we're going to Julieta's Kitchen and Cafe to celebrate my mom's special birthday dinner celebration. First of all, we're gonna pick up birthday cake at contest.
The cellphone, sit properly.
It's a frog?
Runs! Runs!
Oh!
Look at that.
There's a red frog right there. Right there. And here we are. And look at this restaurant. It's very calm and relaxing. Also this nice full body mirror. Now let's order some food. And these are the menu. So they have single plate, noodles, pasta, fish side dishes, vegetables, rice. Also this beautiful interior design here. They also offer some drinks including coffee and teas, summer matcha and pop series. Here's our food and drinks that we ordered including chicken finger with fries. Also this unique one which is turon de calabasa. And this is what my siblings absolutely like it so much. We also have this lemonade, mixed berry sodas, a big size of plain rice, special sizzling pork, volcanic boneless pata kare-kare, also these unique style dishes here, like crispy hanging canton, also this classic one like chop suey. So this is what my drinks that I ordered looks like, which is Italian macchiato, sweet and sour pampano, chicken delino. Here's the other unique one, which is standing chicken, known as pinatayong manok, and it has sweet potato fries. Now let's pour this crispy hanging canton with sauce. Then let's sing happy birthday to my mom.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Repeat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang hati sa iyong kaarawan. Maligayang, maligayang, maligayang hati. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday!
Mabuhay ka! Mabuhay ka, Mama!
3, 2, 1, blow!
Yay! And now it's time to eat.
What do you want to eat?
I want the egg yolk.
Ano na itong crispy?
Here's our dessert. And that cake we ordered is blueberry cheesecake.
Nagaya ako.
Taste it? Is my order good?
Yeah. And it's presents time. Oh wow! Wow! Show it, show it. Wow! Wow! So this is what my mom got on her birthday this year, including t-shirt, perfume, and food container. And that's it for my mom's special birthday celebration. So see you on my next video. Bye-bye!